Good morning, traders. I'm Michael Sabo here with RJO Futures on Thursday, September 27th, bringing you some commentary here in the energy markets. So let's take a look at what do we got going on. Well, this morning energy price a little bit firmer here, but what a day yesterday. Market broke. We were talking there about the market consolidation there. I was out of the office there yesterday, but we were talking about market consolidation there on Tuesday, and of course, look what happened yesterday. Kind of a real risk-off type attitude. Crude took a pounding. We went down to lows yesterday of 88.95 before it kind of retraced back up, and here this morning, with the announcement of basically a lot of money being pumped into China's economy there, record cash injections as a matter of fact, being a little bit more supportive here to crude. So we do have crude prices a little bit firmer here this morning. We're up right now around 91.09, up about $1.10 there. The Brent up around 176. That's trading around 111.76 there. So we're seeing that up as well. Now, taking a look at the complex here, nat gas catching a real nice move here. We're currently up around 326.20. It's up about 4 to 5 cents. So we've seen some strong, moves there in the nat gas market. Give me a call. You want to talk about some ideas there? I've got a couple different strategies that we can go over and how to play that nat gas market. I'm taking a look at the complex here. That RBOB is screaming this morning. We're up almost 7 cents. It's about a 2.5% move. We're looking at the November contract now around 294 and change. So that's up significantly. Heat firmer as well, up almost 3 cents at around 313.08. But let's take a look there again at that crude oil market here. And, that market kind of made some moves down. We kind of went into some consolidation there, and then we saw a break in there yesterday. The market just firmer here today. Some of that, again, I mentioned the China, and that's part of it here. There's no doubt that I think, these Mideast, these geopolitical tensions there in Iran are certainly, proving to be very interesting. And I think, at some point, something is going to happen. So, personally, my opinion is right now is that I still like the short side of the market, but you do have to be cautious there. I do think we could dip at this point here. We moved into the 80s yesterday. I think we could be moving into still, trading lower and moving into the mid or upper 80 area. But again, short of we could see a major geopolitical event take place here that could be very supportive here to the market. So I think there's a little bit of premium that's still built into that market, but you could see, an upshot there. Technical indicators, in my opinion, we are moving a little bit lower there into some of the oversold territory. So we do have to be cautious about that as well. But give me a call. You want to talk about strategies? We could certainly get involved with that. Real quick, let's talk about DOE numbers there yesterday. They were looking for a draw, and we actually saw a build of about 2.5 million barrels. So, but something I've mentioned in a lot of these posts is a supply and demand picture. And I think as a long-term trader, that's still, you got to think about this here. Supply side still looks good. Year-over-year levels here, we're running about roughly about 24 million barrels above, and the 5-year average here is running about 34.5 million barrels above the 5-year average. So there seems to be a lot of crude oil still out on the market, and demand, as we all know, remains questionable. We'll see what all these stimulus measures end up doing, but at some point the medicine, I think, is going to become the poison. So it's always something to keep in the back of your mind. Give me a call on the trade desk if you'd like to talk here a little bit more and get into a little bit more detail. We also do have nat gas numbers coming out here in a little bit, looking for an injection of about 75 billion cubic feet. Remember that futures trading does involve a substantial amount of risk. It may not be suitable for all traders. Good luck and good trading.